I'm ready.
He's pretty, or she, or whatever.
Yeah, looks like he is she.
Yeah.
I really.
Hi, I am calling. I'm driving in my neighborhood, and there's a horse just wandering around. It's a brown horse.
Like a full-size horse?
Yeah, it's an actual horse. I have it with me right now. It's on a rope.
Are there farms or anything around there?
No, I'm in the middle of the freaking neighborhood.
Stay back. Set up a perimeter.
28's on the way! We're fucking running this in, dude.
It? I got directions. You know where we're going?
Yeah.
I have no
Cassidy.
clue. Woo! I'm a little nervous.
Where did a horse come from? That no one's calling it in.
Maybe it's mounted unit got loose, dude.
What if it's a huge fucking Clydesdale?
The brown?
I bet you it's not full. I bet you it's tiny.
No, it's full size, dude. It's not a pony. Full size brown horse. You got a fire up here? What the hell? Where's the fire department?
It's that dust from the concrete saw.
Get. Doing great.
That caused a serious accident.
Horse
Runs out in the road.
runs out on 270.
Hey, Bob. That'd be sick, actually. We should corral it that way.
Stop.
That way you can get out there.
I'm gonna get the hobble strap, make a bridle out of it. Might have to give me a leg up if it's real tall.
Coda!
Hey, bub. Oh, Billy. My guy.
My brother.
You like how I bonded with him now? And we're good?
Yeah, you used to hate him. I think that's a good thing. Every once in a while, you just... Why is she walking sideways?
She
Like,
got her hip knocked out, dude. You ever have your hip knocked out? Woo. It's bad. You know where you're going?
yeah, it's Cassidy and Hogan. Cumberland Woods, maybe? Well, you're nav. You tell me.
Okay. You're doing great. Take a left on Agler, dude.
Yeah, I feel like a pretty good idea.
And then we're gonna go on Cassidy.
Cassidy South.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go
Cumberland Woods, right?
Cumberland Woods, dude.
See? I still got it, though.
Oh boy. These guys. Oh fuck! What the fuck you doing? It's a good flagger right there, dude. No, he didn't panic one bit.
My brother.
Copy that. The run's pending on 2. We just got a couple more runs in. No one's on 2 or 5.
Sorry.
Sorry, we got a horse.
You dispatched just what he wants to do.
We got a horse to take care of. Radio. Everybody's on it. Oh, it's better than 17.
You the double echo, the double siren.
I like it. What'd you go with there? It smells good.
Double espresso over ice.
608, channel 6.
But they already mounted you.
608, good.
These boys don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I was told Aaron's mounted unit. Yeah, just sitting down for breaks, sir. They got a wild horse that's suspect captured.
Why is it wild?
1848 passage lane, 1848 passage lane on 2 precinct.
Look at those big dogs.
Dogs. Big welders.
You think it's got a collar on?
You mean a halter?
No, like a dog tag.
Call animal control.
28 people, just a second.
Oh, it looks like a happy horse. It's got a halter, lead rope, or garden hose.
You riding, Carol?
I'm ready.
He's pretty, or she, or whatever.
Yeah, looks like she. Hi, girly. Oh, you got a big rope.
Hey, you want to go for a ride, Trevor?
Yeah. How you doing, pony?
Do you know where she needs to go, or what
We'll
do you
figure.
guys do with her?
We'll figure something out. Somebody will probably.
Area behind, like straight behind.
She's really friendly.
Super friendly.
It would be on break.
Gotcha.
I didn't think it'd be a horse.
I think
Well, when I called it in, they were
figured
like,
it'd be like
I
that.
mean, what?
You couldn't
And then
paddle.
they were like, well, is
Yeah.
there a barn around you? I said, I'm in the middle of a damn neighborhood.
Oh
No.
no, Trevor, she's getting old.
Yep. Yep.
Hey, I got that guy's number if you want to give him a call. You're the
Who's that? Oh, Yeah.
Would they come out?
Yeah. I mean, they got a horse trailer, so
Either that or you can call
I do think
OSU.
yeah.
The
Or if it's,
animal hospital will take them.
if it's a stray, she can just keep him, right?
Well, I actually was getting ready to put it in my backyard. I'm not going to lie.
I see your puppy in the window. Like, what in the heck is that?
Yeah.
I'm like,
She's quiet enough. My horse would be running laps around this place. Their numbers on there. Or?
Oh, I got it right here.
so.
I put in my notes.
Oh, sweet. I would keep you if I was allowed. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Going back there.
yeah.
I thought for sure it'd be like an alpaca or a llama.
It's a damn horse.
Hey, Sarge's Wolf on 28. Or yeah. She's just a super quiet mare. Looks like she's older. Mid-size, like pony size, between a horse and a pony. Just roaming the neighborhood. Yeah, she's little.
Like not in this
She's
immediate
pretty small.
neighborhood, but off of Drake. There's some houses back here that have.
No, just as quiet as could be. She doesn't have any injuries on her or anything. She's got a halter on. The people that found her put a. Yep, there is a halter on her.
Used to be,
Was that rope on her, guys? Was that rope on her?
yeah.
It was. She was dragging a big long rope, like she'd been tied somewhere probably, and let loose like a super, like lunge line type rope almost.
Correct. They're separate.
It's that next street.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. Appreciate it. Yep. Bye. Bye. They're gonna send a trailer up to help out.
Wow, we brought everyone out to see this.
This house that is facing us, behind, like straight behind, in their backyard.
Alright.
On, it would be on 3.
Okay. Gotcha. Is there a fence?
I think there is.
Go ahead, wagon.
There's an address south of us on, I think it's Drake. I don't have the numbers yet. They got a bunch of horse trailers. I'm gonna drive down there and knock.
Well, I thought about starting to charge $20 a ride.
You want to see it?
But
Yeah, if you could.
Trevor, why don't you have I didn't bring my saddle today.
bareback, come on.
You can see it. Just south of this corner house. Okay. A bunch of horse trailers.
Okay.
There's gotta be somebody. There's a million cars.
There's horse trailers on there?
All right. Go check for Drake. And wow, that's a little one.
Yeah, the little guy. I did.
What's that?
I did. It's a.
Sir, do you own a horse named?
It's a mare. It's a bay mare.
Okay.
Bay mare.
Sam said check the collar. Check the.